Hello, I am super excited to pop in here midweek with you and let you know that we're going to be launching our next From Sabotage to Success starting April 2nd. But registration will be closing a week from today, which would be March 25th, Wednesday, March 25th. And I just wanted to give you that heads up because the workshop itself starts April the 2nd. That'll be our orientation. And this is the only time in 2026 I'm going to run this workshop. I ran it twice in 2025. I'm only planning on running this one time this year. I'll run it again more than likely in 2027. I don't know when just yet, but I wanted to give you that heads up. And if you're somebody who you've been listening to all the podcast episodes, you heard the one with Eleanor where she discussed how her mind would start to get super active first thing in the morning and be totally throwing her for a loop, or maybe Monica and how it really was kind of this comparison trap, like how she would hear things about other people and find herself comparing herself to them and then stop working on her goals. It's like you're listening to these Monday episodes, you're saying, yeah, I totally resonate with that. I need to be in this workshop. We have a 2-payment option, which we didn't have when we first launched it. We went back and corrected everything. So I just wanted to let you know that that is available to you. So again, we can have you register up until next Wednesday, March the 25th. And then at that point, registration will be closed. And then again, we won't run this workshop again until 2027. So you have a fantastic day. Please go ahead and sign up. The details will be in the notes for the episode, or you can just go to halfsizeme.com/success and you can sign up there. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.